Welcome to Sunmar's YouTube channel, where we talk about all things composting toilet. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Now let's get to today's video. Hi, it's Ray from Sunmar, the global composting experts and leaders in composting toilets for over 40 years. Even though they compost, our toilets are designed to be used just like a regular toilet, with regular toilet paper and zero chemicals. They go anywhere. Cabin in the woods, we have a toilet for you. House on the lake, we have a toilet for you. Garages, barns, tiny homes, tree houses, resorts, farms, even underground, you name it, we have a toilet for you. You can put them anywhere and you can get one anywhere, from major retailers, local hardware stores, or even online at your favorite web store. Our extensive lineup of composting toilets fit your specific needs, all of which are certified by NSF, the National Sanitation Foundation, to Standard 41. Right now, I'm sitting on the XL NE. The NE stands for non-electric, which means you can put it into even more remote off-grid locations. It's completely self-contained, so it uses no water, and you don't need septic. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but it is true. Okay, so I'm just about done, and I'm almost out of time. So please stay tuned to more Sunmar videos coming your way. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and leave us a comment. Subscribe to get notified when a new video drops. See you next time.